Do you also receive a lot of leads to your Facebook lead ads? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how you can send welcome emails to Facebook leads automatically. So as a business owner, I am running Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. And here my objective is, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly a personalized welcome email should be sent to my lead via Gmail. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my Facebook lead ad with my Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can send automated personalized welcome emails to all your Facebook leads instantly. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name Digital Dynamics. And here I'm running some Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ads with my Gmail account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand this entire process more clearly. So here to generate the test lead we are going to use lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta. Here I've selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form and here I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our leads Gmail account to see whether our lead has received a new mail or not. And here you can see the mail that our lead has received with the email subject as Welcome to Digital Dynamics, let's grow your business. Here you can see the sender name and a personalized automated mail that our lead has received with the text as Welcome to Digital Dynamics. Hi dummy, thank you for your trust in our digital marketing services. We are thrilled to have you here. And this is the entire body of the mail. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this amazing automation for your own business using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. And it will direct you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button. Then it's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says send welcome emails to Facebook leads automatically. Then here's asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm running Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then we're going to click on this continue. And we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Then here's asking me to add the page name and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics only. And here for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So this is my Meta Business Suite, and from here we're going to select all tools, and under tools we are going to select instant forms. Now here in this lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've created with different names. So in this case, I'm going to use a form that I have with the name new lead ads form. You can create your own lead form as per your requirement. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. Here I'm going to select my form as new lead ads form. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive this response in a simple format, that means in an organized format. But here if you wish to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, let's click on the save and send test request, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now again here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here in lead ads testing tool by Meta, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and you can see it says your lead has been deleted. So now we are going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so again we are going to select our page as Digital Dynamics. Then you're going to select the product as lead retrieval and a form as new lead ads form. And here we are going to click on this preview form. And again we are going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So here for the first name I've added test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com, and here we are going to add a random phone number. Then we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the first name, last name, email address, phone number, and some other details of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly, I want to send a personalized welcome email to my lead via Gmail. So for that, we are going to add action step over here. Here we are going to select action application as Gmail and app event as sent email. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here for the sender name, I'm going to enter my brand name, that is Digital Dynamics. And here you can see a sender email address has been updated automatically, so we're not going to change it. And here for the recipient email addresses, I need to enter the email address to whom I want to send this mail. So now here, instead of entering my lead's email address manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the email address, I'm going to map my lead's email address. Here this CC, BCC and reply to are not required fields. I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the email subject, I'm going to enter the subject as Welcome to Digital Dynamic. Let's grow your business. So this is the email subject, and here I've entered it manually because it is going to remain same for all my leads email. Alright, then comes the email content. So it says enter the email content. You can create HTML content from here. Here's a complete tutorial on how to create HTML email here. So here you can see a hyperlink is attached in the help desk. So you can easily go and check out that how you can create an HTML email for your own business. For now, I have generated my HTML email with the help of AI. So by sending HTML emails, your mail will look more attractive and engaging. So that's why I'm using a HTML email over here. So let me add my email content. So this is my email content, and here I'm going to map the first name in the place of this first name value. Alright, so this is my lead's first name, and with this we have successfully completed our email content. Let's move forward. Here for the content type, I'm going to select it as HTML because I've added my content in a HTML format. Here these fields are not required fields, so we're going to leave them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent this automated email to our lead. So let's go and check our lead's Gmail account. And here you can see the mail that our lead has received with the same email subject, same sender name, and this is a personalized email that our lead has received with the name as Hi Test, and this is the entire mail body. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Gmail, so that when we're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly an automated personalized welcome email will be sent to our lead via Gmail. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send welcome emails to Facebook leads automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.